We celebrated World Autism Awareness Month in April, and in conjunction with that, we conducted a mini survey to find out people's general understanding about autism. Here are the results. 2 out of 3 people think that all children with autism have a hidden talent, such as being really good at math or having an artistic ability. But in reality, only 10% of the autism population are savants. Approximately 4 out of 5 people think that all children with autism do show affection, and that is actually true. About 20% of people think that all children with autism are aggressive, which is actually false. Their behaviors are due to the lack of the ability to communicate. In fact, any one of us would react in such a manner if we are not able to communicate. Surprisingly, about half of the respondents think that there is a cure for autism, but that's not true because to date, there is no cure for autism. However, applied behavior analysis, which is also known as ABA, is the most effective treatment option which can provide the means in helping children with autism catch up with their age-appropriate development. About 1 out of 3 people think that parents should not be worried if their child does not speak by the age of 3 years old. Parents, you should be concerned if your child exhibits any of these red flags. You can find out more about these results on our blog.